At the end of a day of hard physical labor, a cold beer and some rockin' boogie woogie piano would be good medicine to lift the spirits and ease the body. In Chicago during the 1920s, this musical form developed into the sound which today we recognize as boogie woogie. Jimmy Yancey, Albert Ammons, and Meadlux Lewis, three of the best and most recognized early boogie woogie players, were all working in Chicago at the time. If you're here looking at this chorus, I think there's a good chance it's because you've heard boogie woogie piano and it immediately lit up something inside of you. And you started to smile and kind of nod your head and maybe shake your shoulders a little bit. And then maybe the feeling moved down into your hips and legs and you found yourself kind of dancing. I don't know why, I kind of have a feeling that maybe this rhythm is hard-coded into our DNA. Kind of an evolutionary safeguard to give us a path to feel good when we're down, or to wake up the joy in our bodies and our hearts when we're too immersed in maybe less than joyful thoughts in our heads.